The Vox Ceiling Fan is a versatile addition to both indoor and outdoor spaces, featuring a modern design with a matte white finish. Integrating seamlessly with popular smart home systems, it supports voice control through Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and more. The fan's operations can be managed via a free app offering features like breeze mode and energy-saving settings. Equipped with a silent DC motor, this fan operates quietly and is significantly more energy efficient than traditional models. Its LED lighting component provides adjustable brightness levels, making it suitable for various lighting preferences. Designed as a flush mount, the fan is ideal for spaces with ceiling heights between 7 and 10 feet.